Hello people, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Kafar here. Today I'm going to talk about Chinese scholarships. So if you are a Pakistani, if you are living in any other country, so you can directly apply to these universities for fully funded scholarships. And if you wanted to study abroad, so this video is for you. Do not skip this video at any cost, because you will get probably each and everything in detail. So let's get started. You guys can see from my screen that I have opened different universities of China. um, Today in this video I'll cover about Chinese universities, so make sure to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below, so that you will not miss any update that I will post in my channel, because the scholarships are open for spring intake, and you guys sorry, for fall intake, and you guys can apply and get selected and start studying abroad. Okay, so you guys can see from my screen, this is the Harbin Institute of Technology, Shenzhen. It is situated in China. So I'll talk about the scholarship they are offering. I'll talk about each and everything. You guys can see from my screen, everything is written here with deadline and each and everything. For example, uh, you wanted to apply in this university, so they have written over here the programs they are offering. You guys can see these are the program they are offering. Okay, and then language English, teaching language, they also have written over here the teaching language starting date is September 2026. Now it means that you have time. Okay, and you guys can apply there and get selected, and you guys can, if you get selected on fully funded scholarship, so you will be there and in 2026 September, and you will start your PhD there. Okay, so this scholarship, this university covers scholarship. Okay, it means that if you get selected, your tuition fees, which is 42,000, okay, 42,000 RMBs, yuans, this tuition fees will be waived off. You need to pay zero tuition fees, like you do not have to pay any kind of fees. Your accommodation will be free, like you guys can get 1,000 yuans per month for your accommodation, and your living expenses also, they will also give you some kind of stipend, you can say. It depends on your degree, either you are enrolled in BS, MS or PhD. It totally depends upon your degree. Okay, and I guess for PhD, the stipend level is something, stipend level is higher, and for MS or PhD, MS or BS, the stipend level is low. Okay, so this is only one university that I am talking about. I'll be given the link of this website in the description of video. You guys can check from there. There are lot of universities. They are offering different kind of scholarship, different tuition fees, and uh, different programs. So you guys can check your dream university, your favorite university, and you guys can apply more than one universities as well. Okay, so the procedure is same for all the universities. Let me open one thing for you, and then I'll discuss each and everything. Okay, for example, I am applying for physics. Okay, so you guys can click over here, and you guys can see they are offering for a doctoral degree in physics, and teaching language is English. Starting date is September, and tuition fees is 40,000 42,000 yuans per month, per year, which is probably will be covered in the scholarship. Okay, and the scholarship coverage include tuition fees, accommodation, living allowances, and some other stipend thing. Okay, you guys can see, you will not be able to give anything to university. Instead, you will taking the universities, you will taking the stipend from the university, each and everything. So eligibility criteria, let's talk about the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria is very simple. Like, applicants for PhD program should be master degree holder and under the age of 40. You have your transcripts, degrees attested from, if you are a Pakistani, attested from HITSZ, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, like MOFA, and then be a citizen of a country. And like, one thing that you should hold is that You should have your passport, you should have a bachelor's degree, official transcript, study plan, at least 1000 words, and a recommendation letter from the professors, and your CV, and your English proficiency certificates. Like this university requires IELTS, so you have to apply through IELTS score, and a photocopy of foreigner physical examination, like your um, um, health procedure, no non-criminal report. You should be attested your notarized your documents from a police, and then bank statement, CV. Okay, so these things you'd have in your hand before applying. Okay, once you have all these things, they have written each and everything in detail. You have all these things in your hand, so you you can apply. Like, the procedure is just applying. So for application, you guys can see in the right side, you just have to the scholarship application, you just have to create your account, and then after creating your account, you just have to fill the application form, submit your all your document, upload all your document, and then at the end you just have to pay the application for a fee, which is like, they didn't write over here the fee. I'll let you guys know about the fee. Okay, so just click over here the apply now button, or if you wanted to apply through university's website, you just do one thing. Copy the university name. For example, this is the university and I wanted to apply here. Just copy the university name. This is the university name. Okay, okay, let me convert it into the English. So you guys can see 2025 2026 admissions are open. You just have to click over here, and you just have to like, if you are a new person here, so you have to create your account. And if you are probably you are a new person, so you just have to create your account. You just have to fill the your email, your passport, and a surname on your passport, and given name on your passport, then mobile number and nationality, sorry, passport number and nationality, and then you just have to click on the next. So probably you will your account will be created here, and the next thing, you just have to click on the apply button, and you just have to submit your application, submit your application fees as well, and leave it. Okay, you probably will get to know about your status, application status, from via email. So once you will get the email, you will get to know that either you are selected or not. If you get selected for an admission, they will also tell you about the admission as a scholarship as well. Either you get selected for scholarship or not, and then they will let you guys know each and everything in detail through emails. Okay, so this is the procedure is very simple. You guys just have to select the right university where you wanted to apply. And I really wanted to tell you one thing, is that you just, there are a lot of other universities here as well. You just have to select the university which will um give you best research areas, and which will give you best labs, and which will give you best thing related to your research. Okay, do not waste your time, because for PhDs, personally for PhDs, the you guys can say, for PhDs, the journey is very long, for 4 to 5 years. So you just have to stick on the point that either you are selecting your university, it should be great enough, it should be valued enough to, so that you will spend your whole 5 years or 4 years of your PhD degree to that particular space or that particular place. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind. So I hope I have shared best thing with you guys. So if you have any questions or queries, do let me know in the comments below. Make sure to apply right now. Do not leave this opportunity at any cost if you wanted to study abroad. So this video is for you. Make sure to save this video, make sure to save this website, because this website is very important for you guys. Okay, so they have written each and everything in detail: popular scholarship, latest scholarship, and they have written very like good things in this website. So yeah, do follow me in this channel. So do not forget to subscribe this channel, because I will give you an other scholarship opportunity ideas in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.